Hi! In front of me is iPhone SE 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into clock by tapping on it. Now you need to select alarm over here if it's not already on and tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Then set up an hour and choose repeat. Over here you need to set up days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones and save them by going back. Now just label and label your alarm however you wish to. I will go with work. Or no. Okay, work it is. Then I have to go back and choose sound. Now you can select one of those options by tapping on the best ringtone for you, like that one. Or choose pick a song. Tap on open Apple Music and set up song from your smartphone. I'm not going to do that, so I will go with cancel and select vibration over here. Now you can pick one of those vibration patterns for your alarm by tapping on the best one for you and going back. Finally, click on snooze to enable or disable it, and when you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. If you wish to turn it back on, just tap on the same one. If you wish to delete your alarm, you need to hold it. Choose delete alarm over here, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!